I do plenty of custom work with these electric chainsaws and gas chainsaws, but today I'm going to take a little different tack and do some custom work with feet because my comfort suffers because nothing's ever exactly right. This thing's always sticking into my boot, so I'm going to take this little Dremel tool and I'm just going to show you. I carved this out a little bit and I got way more comfort, so I'm just going in little bits, but I'm going to do a little bit more today right where it bothers me, and hopefully anyone else can do this too to make their shoes more comfortable. So I took the insole out and I'm just going to take a little off where it's pushing into my foot, making it uncomfortable. So that's it. I'm just taking a little bit off because that's where it's bothering me. Right in there. I think we got it. But if not, we'll come back and take a little bit off tomorrow. Little Smurf yellow. I don't know what that color is, but something crazy. Hopefully the idea helps somebody out, because who wants to be uncomfortable all day long in their work boots? Not me.